Welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's travel with Dee and Knife. Today we are exploring Queen Victoria Night Markets, which is located in Melbourne CBD. This night market is seasonal and happening during summer on Wednesdays from 5 to 10 pm. You can easily get there by tram. There's a tram stop in front of the market. This is the largest open-air market in the Southern Hemisphere. This is usually happening on every day from 6 am to 3 pm, except on Mondays and Wednesdays.
G'day.
Welcome to Queen Vic.
Thank you. Hello.
Welcome to Queen Vic 2023. Woo-hoo!
Thank you.
You want one too? I'll give you one too.
Say cheers.
This is officially opened in March 1878. This has expanded a lot since then. The venue has more than 1,000 car parking spaces for the customers. The day market pretty much has everything like fresh produce, clothes, souvenirs and many more. But this evening market is mostly focused on food. This is a very busy and vibrant place. You can enjoy different types of food from different parts of the world. There is live music, entertainment and many more to enjoy. We just tried to walk around the market to give you guys an overall picture of the place. But it is a bit hard to walk around as the place is crowded already. It is the time for us to grab something to eat before the queues get longer. Hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified when a new video is released. Also, please like, comment and share with your friends. Bye for now. See you again in another video.